In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then in the left panel click on create, then select email, then select regular. You can also opt for automated campaign, so simply switch to automations depending on your needs. So add a name for your email, then press begin. Then here in the to section, select the audience or segment you want to receive the newsletter. It could be all your subscribers or a targeted group. Next, click on Design Email to open up the email design builder. And here, choose your preferred template. Now in the left panel, use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to add text, images, GIFs, and buttons. You can also use a Canva template for a more polished look. Then next, click on Preview, or you can also click on Send Test to see how your newsletter looks on desktop and mobile view. Once done, click on Save and Exit to save your template. And lastly, click on the send button to send it to your contacts or subscribers. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!